Welcome to Rust by Examples, Lesson 10. Today we'll build a word frequency counter using HashMap. HashMap is Rust's key value collection type. We'll use string keys for words and usize values for counts. The Entry API makes counting efficient. Let's create a new Rust project called word_counter. Cargo New sets up the project structure for us. Here's the default main.rs with hello world. The cargo.toml contains our project metadata. Now let's add our sample text file. We need some sample text to count words in. Let's create a sample.txt file using nvim. First, we disable auto-indentation for clean typing. Now we type several sentences about Rust programming. Each line contains information about Rust features. Notice how the word Rust appears multiple times in our text. This sample data will help us verify our word counter works. The file is saved and we can see its contents. Now let's create the counter module in counter.rs. First, import HashMap from the standard library. Our count_words function takes a string slice. We create a mutable HashMap to store counts. Split the text on whitespace to get individual words. Each word is cleaned and converted to lowercase. The Entry API with _insert handles new entries. We increment the count for each word found. To find the most common words, we need to sort by frequency. We'll collect the HashMap into a vector, then sort descending. Finally, we take only the top n results. Let's add the top_words function to our counter module. It takes a reference to our count's HashMap and a limit n. First, collect all entries into a vector of tuples. Sort by comparing values in descending order. The sort _ by closure compares b.1 to a 0.1 for descending. Take n limits results to the top n words. Now let's update main.rs to use our counter module. Declare the module with mod counter at the top. Import our functions using the use statement. Read the sample file contents with fs, read _ to _string. Call count_words to get all word frequencies. Then get the top 5 most common words. Print a header for our word frequency counter. Loop through the results and display each word with its count. The code is complete. Let's save and run it. Let's run our word frequency counter. Cargo Run compiles and executes the program. As expected, Rust appears 10 times the most common word. The other top words match our sample text content. Our word counter is working perfectly. Let's recap what we learned. HashMap is perfect for key value counting. The Entry API makes updates efficient. We used iterators to process text. And sorting to find the top n results. Great job completing this lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll build a CSV data processor